how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. Very simple and very easy. And also, I'm going to show you how you can win up to $300,000 in Dogecoin as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like videos like this. And also, don't forget to click on the link below to get access to Coinbase. You can win some free Bitcoin as well. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. So when you log into your Coinbase account, when you click on the link below and get your account, it's very simple. So if I go to home right here, so if this, I'm going to go to the home page and start completely over. So if I go to home page, you can find Dogecoin very, very simple. Literally, you can just search for it, or you can go to prices. I like going to prices for some reason. I like going to prices, and you can actually type in Doge, or you can look it up here as well. And then from there, you look over to your right and you can go ahead and buy, sell, and convert your Dogecoin, which is very simple. Now, if I wanted $10 in Dogecoin, I can click on $10 and it's already set up very simple of 28.27 of Dogecoin will go right to my account, and my bank account is already connected as well. Now, if I want to change my bank account information, I just click on here and I can go to add another payment as well by clicking there, and I can add a PayPal account, a debit card, a wire transfer, or another bank account as well. And it also shows you the recommendations in terms of what it does and all the other information as well. I like this because when Coinbase uses Play to link your bank account, all you do is press and continue, and you can select the bank account that you want to be able to use, or you can search for one if you don't see it there as well. So if I type Bank of America, it will also populate as well. If I'm on Bank of America, it will populate as well, just like this. So actually, Bank of America was on the front screen right there. So you can search for a bank that's not here as well. So that's tons of banks, very, very simple and very, very easy. So, and then that's simple. So I can buy the Dogecoin, or you know what? I can select a different asset. If I didn't want Dogecoin, I could select any other asset that Coinbase has to offer. Now, also, you can sell your Dogecoin. So if I had Dogecoin already in here, I can pull the dollar amount and say, okay, I want to sell $5 worth, sell right to my USD account and sell Dogecoin. Very simple right there. Now, if I had another asset as well, I can convert in something else. So if I like this Polygon-matic, I can convert Polygon to Dogecoin. Just for an example, I'll go ahead and do this for this training. So I can convert all my Polygon to Dogecoin, which was not very much at all. So basically, my Polygon-matic is being converted over to Dogecoin. And convert that over takes seconds, maybe a minute for this to go ahead and convert. View transactions, and you see it right there. Convert from Polygon, and you have your Dogecoin, which is also right there. So then if I go back to portfolio and I click on Dogecoin, I actually have Dogecoin. So then now I actually can sell Dogecoin as well, you know, just like that. So if I go back to prices, click on Dogecoin. Yes, we do have the Dogecoin. So I can sell it. Now I have some. And what will happen is I can sell all and it'll go right to my USD account, or I can convert more, just like I just showed you. Now they having this type of contest up to June 10th, which is coming up very, very soon. And they're doing something on Coinbase because Dogecoin is now on Coinbase just maybe a few days ago, and they're giving away up to giving away 1.2 million in prizes to celebrate. Opt in and then buy or sell $100 in Doge on Coinbase by June 10th for your chance to win. Limit 1 entry per person. Opt in multiple times will not increase your chances of winning. So check this out. What you can win is one winner will receive $300,000 in Doge, and then you have 10 winners will receive $30,000 in Doge, and then 6,000 winners will receive $100 in Doge. This is very simple. This is very, very cool that Dogecoin and Coinbase is combined this entry together. So getting people to it's basically get people excited about Dogecoin. Coinbase is a very simple platform to be able to do that as well. A US regulated exchange of Coinbase is all about that with Doge. Sign in Coinbase, opt in sweepstakes, make a trade, which I just basically showed you, buy or sell $100 or more in Doge on Coinbase between June 3rd and June 10th. And then watch your inbox for once you opt in and trade, you'll be official winter entered in. Winners will hear from you as via email or around June 17th. So it's very, very cool, very, very easy. So I just wanted to show you that you can buy, sell, manage your crypto anywhere using Coinbase. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Click on the link below. Get signed up. When you get your Coinbase account, all you have to do is just pretty much go into Dogecoin under Coinbase, and they have this information right under Doge, so you can't really miss it at all. You can enter right there with all the information there. Buy and sell your Dogecoin. Make sure it has to be $100. Because remember, it says buy or sell $100 in Dogecoin on Coinbase for your chance to win. So you have to be $100 or more. So get excited. Hey, why not? Why not be a chance to winning more Dogecoin by entering into a contest? Get excited about Coinbase and Dogecoin as well. And that's all I got for you on this video. Click on the link below to get access to the Coinbase. Get your Coinbase account right now. Click on that link, get access to that, get your Dogecoin. You don't have to get entered to this contest. This is just basically letting you know how to buy and sell and manage your Dogecoin on Coinbase. But why not enter the contest if you can as well? Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below to get your Coinbase account, and why not enter into the sweepstakes of the Dogecoin prizes. I'll see you on the next video.